Everyone. So today's question is priority versus severity. This is a most important question that is asked by any interviewer in interview. So let me explain with real life example. So first of all, you need to know what is a severity. So severity, nothing is just as a impact. Severity tells us what is the impact on your applications. कि आपकी एप्लीकेशन पे कितना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है ऑफ दिस ड्यू टू दिस वर्क. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सेवर्टी. सेकेंड इज प्रायोरिटी. सो प्रायोरिटी टेल्स अस कि व्हाट इज़ द प्रायोरिटी ऑफ दिस वर्क, कि इस वर्क की प्रायोरिटी कितनी है. सो दिस विल रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर टाइम लाइन्स और रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन deadlines and what is your priority of this work, so that we need to fix it. So that is called as a priority. So let me explain with example. So first of all, there are four combinations of this thing. First, high priority, high severity. Second is high priority, low severity. Third is low severity, high priority. Fourth is low severity, high priority. So first of all, I will explain high priority, high severity. Let's say if you using any application, let's say if you are using Amazon app, then you will click on pay now button, then your payment is deducted from your bank, then but your order is not created. That is called the bug have a high priority, high severity, because millions and thousand millions users will use of this functionality, and this will also impact on our applications and our customer behavior. So that is called as a high priority, high severity work. Second is ki low severity, high priority. So let's say Amazon app and Amazon logo is blurred, so it have a low severity. There are no impact on business or applications, so there are no severity of this work, but priority is high because thousands of million go through the application. They will see the key why the logo is blurred or something. So that is a priority work. Third is ki high severity, low priority. Let's say finance team download the finance report from Amazon applications, but application got crashed during download. So why this have low severity, high severity, low priority? Let me explain. So finance team download the reports every month or every 3 months, then so this bug have a low severity, high severity and low priority. Low priority because there are no impact on customers or users, so there and there are no daily basis impact, there are no negative thoughts, so that is called as a low severity. But low priority, sorry, high severity is that say application got crashed, then applications is crashes, so that's why we have a high severity, so we need to fix that edge. Fourth is low severity, low priority. Let's say in your application have some spelling mistake. Let's say privacy doesn't have a in privacy, so there are no impact on our users, there are no impact on our business, so that is called as a low severity, high priority. So guys, this is a real life example with severity and priority. If you have any better answer, or if you have any doubt, comment me, I will provide a answer of that comments. So guys, follow, like, subscribe. We will provide more interested and interview question in upcoming videos. So thank you guys.